Korte Suprema sa ganitong, Mr. President, the very tenor of the decision. Kahit na po sinabi niyang, oh sige, nasa sayo. Formality na lamang po yun, Mr. President. You are a trial lawyer too. Most of us here became trial lawyers. This is our experience. Huwag po nating pahirapan yun. Sana man lang kung ang decision po 8-7. Yun po pwede nating pagtalunan po eh. Wala po talaga eh, Mr. President.
If I may, Mr. President, and I think that was a good analogy. Thank you for that. Napaisip niyo ho ako doon. I think what's interesting with His Honor's analogy is there are people, there's the public, I don't know, millions of people would like to understand ano ba yung final na kasong yon, may evidence ba? And totoo yan, di ba? Hindi natin matatanggal yon. So in the same way, yung manliligaw na walang pag-asa, gusto din niyang malaman na ano ba yung chances, ano ba yung nangyari, bakit ba meron kang ganitong conclusion, can I convince you otherwise? I think that's what His Honor is trying to say. And I think the public really want to know. Let the record show na tawang-tawa po si Senator Bato sa likod. And we really want to know, sino ba namang may ayaw malaman kung merong isang public official na naakusahan ng katiwalian? Lahat po tayo interesado doon eh, whether mahal mo yung taong yon, whether galit ka sa taong yon, you want to know the truth. Kasi kung naniniwala ka na innocent yung taong yon, gusto mong mapatunayan niya na innocent siya. At kung galit ka sa taong yon, gusto mong mapatunayan na guilty siya, hindi ho ba? But meron tayong kinikilalang Supreme Court na nagsasabing, hindi nga dumaan sa tamang proseso. So kumbaga siguro sa example nyo, baka hindi dumaan sa tatay ko, hindi nagpaalam ng maayos. Di wala naman akong choice, kundi sabihin na wala kang pag-asa. Baka naman may pag-asa, pero I have to follow the rules of my father's house na hindi dumaan sa tamang proseso. So doon ho tayo babalik, and as a lawyer, I have to say this na yun nga, we are governed by laws. And in as much as gusto ko rin malaman, bothered ho ako sa mga gantong okasasyon. The other day, our colleagues, merong privileged speech tungkol sa kalokohan dun sa paggagawa ng mga flood control. Gusto natin malaman, di ba? Ngayon, pagka yun na-discuss sa sa media, okay na, media siya. Pero walang papupuntahan yun kasi it should go to the proper process. May process yan sa halls of the Senate. We have hearings in aid of legislation, and then magre-recommend tayo na ma-ombudsman yan. So may proseso tayo. So yun ho siguro yung pinapatunguhan, dun ho papunta ang aking conclusion na in as much as the public deserves to know, because we all deserve to know, we also have to follow the process. And I share this with everyone kasi ang hirap lang talaga ng sitwasyon natin kung hindi tayo makikinig sa Supreme Court. Meron tayo in the Senate, Congress, we have our duties as co-equal bodies. Ang duties po namin kasama ang pagsiyasat ng budget ng lahat ng agency. So pati Supreme Court,